Okay, so Jupiter calculation of Jupiter's Prastar Ashtakvarga. Uh, Jupiter is beneficial in the first, second, third, fourth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, and 11th houses from Sun. Jupiter is beneficial in second, fifth, seventh, ninth, and 11th houses from Moon. Jupiter is beneficial in first, second, fourth, seventh, eighth, 10th, and 11th houses from Mars. Jupiter is beneficial in first, second, fourth, fifth, sixth, ninth, 10th, and 11th houses from Mercury. Jupiter is beneficial in first, second, third, fourth, seventh, eighth, 10th, and 11th houses from himself. Jupiter is beneficial in second, fifth, sixth, ninth, 10th, and 11th houses from Venus. Jupiter is beneficial in third, fifth, sixth, and 12th houses from Saturn. Jupiter is beneficial in first, second, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, ninth, and 10th, and 11th houses from Lagna. High number of points in Jupiter's Ashtakvarga denotes it's very good for the native, and it exalts it expands the Karakattvas of Jupiter in one's chart. So after calculating the Prastar Ashtakvarga of Jupiter, one has to see the number of points in each bhava. The first application that one can use this point is to find out the cardinal direction denoted by Jupiter. Now the cardinal direction is obtained by summing up the points in the Agni Rashis, in the Jal Rashis, in the Vayu Rashis, and in the earthy signs. Okay, so that sum denotes a particular direction. Like if you sum up all the points in the Agni Rashis, it denotes the east direction. If you sum up all the earthy signs, it denotes the south direction. If you sum up all the Vayu Rashis, it denotes the west direction. And if you sum up all the Jal Rashis, it becomes the north direction. So the direction that has obtained the maximum number of points in the Prastar Ashtakvarga of Jupiter, that direction should be utilized for placing your treasury in the house. Because see, Jupiter is the planet of expansion. So anything you put, this is a very good secret for Jupiter's Ashtakvarga. Whatever you place in the direction represented by Jupiter, that tends to expand. So let's suppose west is the direction denoted having the maximum cardinal points in somebody's Ashtakvarga. Then if somebody has a parking lot with one car in the west direction, then over a period of time it will expand to 2, 3, 4 like that. Okay, so because Jupiter is the planet of expansion, so whatever you put in that direction will tend to expand. So it is recommended to put the treasury over there so that your financial stability increases, your finances increase. Also, the Lagna, the Rashi that has obtained the maximum number of points, that should be used in the Muhurta chart for feeding Brahmins, okay, or for doing the yajna and the puja, such kind of activities, because Jupiter denotes such activities. So it is said that if you perform such pious activities during the Muhurtas in the Lagna when Jupiter is having highest number of bindus, then you reap the maximum benefit out of it. Okay, that's one other thing. Another signification of Jupiter is with respect to the progeny. Okay, so if somebody is desirous of having progeny or having issue with the progeny, not having kids, then the lagna should be chosen for impregnation should have the maximum number of bindus in the Jupiter's Ashtakvarga. Okay, so that is one secret actually. Like if the sexual act is performed, if that impregnation is performed in the time when Jupiter is having maximum number of bindus, then it results in to provided other factors also match, then it results in the pregnancy. Now, knowledge of kids, number of son and daughter, that is obtained from the points in the Jupiter's Ashtakvarga. One should not take into account the points denoted by the enemy grahas or the grahas that are in debilitation. Okay, so look at the house in the fifth from Jupiter. The number of bindus over there denote the number of kids one has. Obviously, you have to remove the points in points given by the enemy signs and the debilitated ones. Also, if you happen to find out, if you want to find out if somebody is having is going to adopt a kid or not, in that case you have to see the navansh of the navansh occupied by the fifth lord. If the fifth lord occupies the navansh of Saturn, then it is likely that the person will have to adopt a kid. Like here you see in the Ashtakvarga of in the Jupiter's Ashtakvarga of Mahatma Gandhi, you see in the fifth house from Jupiter, it is the Leo sign and it has 5 bindus. Okay, Mahatma Gandhi had 4 kids, 4 children, and one he adopted, Shri Firoz Gandhi. Now you see the lord of the fifth house, that is Saturn, which is there in Saturn's navansh. So it denotes there is a chance of adoption also. Okay. Also, one can see the position of fifth lord in the chart, whether it is in Kendra or Panafar or Apoklim. So if the fifth lord is in Panafar, if it is in Kendra, then the progeny is born during the early years of married life. Okay, and if it is there in the Panafar, then in the middle part of the married life, and if it is in Apoklim, then it is in the later part of married life. So basically, depending on the placement of the fifth lord, one can predict whether a person will have kids in the later part of life or earlier. Also, one secret technique is on predicting when the son or the daughter is born or when the progeny comes. You have to see the kaksha of fifth lord. Okay, and when Jupiter transits the houses of the kaksha lord of fifth lord, then it is likely that the son or the daughter is born. Okay, for example, let's say somebody is Tula Lagna, then the fifth lord Saturn, if it is there in Leo in the kaksha of Mars, then when Jupiter transits the signs of Mars, that is Aries and Scorpio, then the progeny will be born. That is one of the way of predicting when the children is born.